everyone, in this video we are going to be covering adding a keypad to your project. With our control system you can use any Android, iOS device or a Windows device to control your room, but you can also add a keypad that will be mounted on the wall to replace your wall switch. Can be also configured with the existing setup of all the devices that are available in the room, and to do so you need to go to the bottom left here to add viewer. And as soon as you add viewer, you see here you have the mobile devices that you can add, but here on the right you can see the keypad. And as you can see, as soon as you add keypad, it will show up here to the right. What keypad are you choosing? At the moment we have the one with 8 buttons here with US. So we can also have the 12 button one with EU box, which will look like that. So let's say for example we'll use the 8 button ones. Now you can choose here the number of keys, so you can choose whether you wanted 7 keys or you wanted 6 keys, you wanted 4 keys, and so on. Let's say for this purpose we'll use like 6 keys. You can also choose different layouts, so you can see if you switch between layouts you can immediately see how it's switching on the right hand side. Let's say I like this layout. The last thing you want to do is to match the ID of that keypad with your main controller. And another thing, if you have multiple keypads linked to that same controller, you need to set them at different IDs. So in this case you have 8 different IDs that you can change the keypad from 1 to 8. So in our case, since this is we are adding like just one keypad, you can do that. Go to done. If you are adding more than one keypad, you can just add more keypads here and set a different ID for it, and so on. So as soon as you press done, you can see here the keypad is adding, and if you go to the home page you have the keypad here, and then very easily you can go to any button, just like the buttons you are creating on the viewer for the iPad. You just go to any button and add the actions you want to it. So in this case I will just want it to turn on the PDU, and just like put the macro for turn on the PDU, and now this button will turn on the entire PDU, and so on. You can go with each and every button. You can actually add more commands to one single button. So let's say I want to go to the light as well. Let's say I want this button to go into the presentation mode. So I want the entire PDU on. I want the light to be dimmed, so it's \n, and then also I wanted to turn on the projector. I'll actually bring the screen lift down, so I'll just go and add the screen lift down as well. So I can just add a relay here for screen lift down and make it closed, and I can also, for example, add as much command as I want to that specific button. So as you can see, it's very simple to add the keypad to your project, add all the actions you want to the buttons available on the keypad. You can do the same with each and every button that is available on the keypad. So this was the video covering adding a keypad to your viewer, as well as adding actions to different buttons on the keypad. Thank you very much.